Alright, y'all, so this video right here, I'm gonna talk to you guys about the raw truth about making money on YouTube. Now, the reason why I want to talk about this is because we have a lot of people that may want to start their YouTube journey and they feel as if like this YouTube experience doesn't come with ups and downs. Alright? Now, me personally, I started YouTube back in 2019 when I came across SR. You guys already know the retention journey. And from there, I knew, like, this is what I want to do, right? And even prior to that, I already wanted to create YouTube videos. I just knew, like, in order to be monetized, it was, and it still is, a grind. To anybody out there. Even after you monetize, it is still a grind, okay? Now, the raw truth is that every month is going to be different, all right? You can't have this mentality that, oh, I'm going to just create this one video or two video, second video, and that's just going to help me get super rich. No, all right? When you first starting out your YouTube journey, you have to realize that, I know for me, it was like we had to reach 1,000 subscribers and then 4,000 watch hours. I don't know how they changed it now, but regardless of the fact, you have metrics that you have to reach, right? And then after you reach those metrics, if you just making money off of Google Adsense, which is sort of kind of how I make my money, until I get some more sponsorships, right? And, you know, you may sell a product or whatever the case may be. The Google Adsense fluctuates every single month. All right? Now, the minimum that you have to reach in order to get paid for the month is $100. If you do not hit $100 for the month, you will not get paid. So for me, I'm not getting paid for the month of November, right? That's just me being honest with y'all. I'm not about to sit here and sugarcoat it. No, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, right? Now, whatever I make for this month, for the rest of this month, that will then go on for next month, for December, okay? Now, you gotta remember, bruh, when you get monetized on YouTube, it is now like a business. So you have to treat YouTube like a business. That's why you see people posting so consistently, and you know, you gotta have the views add up, because you gotta keep yourself on the algorithm, all right? We know that we live in a generation where people's attention spans is very short, bruh. You know, you gotta get them in the first 2 minutes of the video, and then they click off, and they on to the next video. Or people just want to be like, some people want to be entertained, some people want to be educated, some people want both. But at the end of the day, you as the content creator, you have to realize that YouTube is not easy, right? Yeah, I think it just, press the button, let me record this video, let me post the video, and then that's it. No, bruh. It is like, I gotta come up with ideas. If I want to figure out a niche that I want to, you know, be in, I gotta figure out the niche. With YouTube Shorts, you gotta figure out, like, how does YouTube Shorts work? Is YouTube Shorts even gonna pay you? Now, me personally, YouTube Shorts just started paying me. But that right there is like 20 cents or 30 cents per every 1,000 views. So you gotta keep that in mind, right? Then if you talk about anything financial, right? Whether it's the stock market, Forex trading, the economy, you do Uber Eats content, you do DoorDash, you do whatever, anything financially related, those videos, even ad revenue videos, those videos have a higher like CPM, right? Which is like cost per, it's like how much you make per 1,000 views, basically. So everybody's CPM and RPM is different. Some people might have $10. You might get $10 per 1,000 views. You might get $20 per 1,000 views, right? 40. It depends. But you gotta realize that financial education gets paid the most money on YouTube. Now, once again, like I said, you gotta look at YouTube as a business, bro. Point blank, period. Because nobody wants to just work for free, right? Now, I would advise y'all that, because some people always gonna feel as if I'm about to just say F it, quit my job and just become a YouTuber. You gotta simmer down. You have to chill. All right? Me, I made sure that outside of YouTube, I have other sources of income, because trying to just depend on YouTube, I would be cooked. Point blank period. Yeah, already know I do Uber Eats every freaking day, right? Am I working on getting another job? Yes, YES. You damn right. And then I tell y'all all the time, you should put your money into the stock market. Why? Because that is another source of income. And then outside of that, you're teaching yourself how to have your money grow. Your money not growing in the savings account unless you saving more and more and more money. That's cool, but you're not getting no interest, right? In the stock market, you're getting interest. In the stock market, you can own real estate. Now you're getting paid dividends. In the stock market, you can own these businesses that'll pay you. Google, Target, Walmart, Apple. I'm trying to think of what's in my portfolio. That's why I'm calling these out. Nvidia, you know, the S&P 500, like things like that. You have to have the asset ownership so that you know, like, all right, I have other sources of income so that I can teach myself how to build wealth and how to get rich. Now, if you one of these YouTubers and you bringing in 4K a month, 5K a month, $10,000 a month consistently on YouTube, you are one of one. That is, like, YouTube is like when you post a video, you don't know what's going to happen. You don't know who it's going to reach. You don't know how long it's going to take to get on the YouTube algorithm. Your YouTube studio will judge you super fast. It'll give you grays. Like, you'll see like a gray line. If it's not doing that good, you'll see like a green arrow. I said a gray line, my fault. A gray arrow pointing down if it's not doing that good, and a green arrow pointing up if it's doing good. You know? So, the YouTube Studio app shows you what you need to see, but sometimes you don't want to be so hard and judging yourself just off of that too, because you got to remember, numbers are infinite. You know? So some people could get discouraged. I told you already, it took me 4 years to get on the YouTube algorithm, because I started posting YouTube shorts. I started doing the push-up challenge videos that y'all be seeing me do. I hope it don't bore y'all, right? But I have to do what I have to do in order to get on the YouTube algorithm. It takes time. I didn't quit. I didn't give up. I didn't say, oh, it's taking so long. Nah, I stayed consistent. I stayed true. I said, yo, T, let's make it happen. Do what you got to do, bruh. Put in the work. Long form content, YouTube shorts, and then sometimes I go live on the YouTube channel. You know? But the raw, honest truth is that you shouldn't just be so eager to quit your job and jump off the porch just to be a YouTube content creator. Your job is your number one source of income. You feel me? So as long as you're able to keep your job, you can still do YouTube. Even if you do it after you get off of work. Some people that work a 9 to 5, even though time is man-made, right? But even after you get off of work, you can still create YouTube videos and post them. Because you got to remember, if you're a channel and you're not monetized, you still got to work on that. You might have one video that blow up. You might get 10,000, 20,000 views on the YouTube video, 30,000 views on the YouTube video. And then you got to do that consistently. Because then some of your other videos might not do as well, right? But now you might be in your head and you like, see, I quit. Because your other videos is not doing good. So you just say, I don't want to do it no more. Like, YouTube is gonna learn, it's gonna teach you how to test your mental strength, right? You gotta have thick skin, because now you're putting yourself out there to strangers. Strangers automatically judge you. They don't even know you, but they're gonna judge you. Then you're gonna have strangers that support you. You understand what I'm saying? You might tell your friends about your YouTube channel. You might tell your family. You might tell your spouse, whoever. They may support you. They may not. But at the end of the day, you got to realize that YouTube is a journey. Okay? And some people might not see your vision. You know? But I'm here to tell y'all, bro. Like, YouTube literally is a grind, bro. It's an everyday grind. You know? And as long as you stay resilient, as long as you don't quit, as long as you keep pushing out content, and you find your groove on the YouTube platform, I think you should be okay. But if I were you, like I said, I would not advise nobody to be like, all right, let me just quit my job and just become a YouTuber. No. What are you doing? Because you got to remember, this is the internet. Social media. Well, YouTube is not considered social media to me. Facebook and Instagram and all that other stuff, it is social media, but YouTube is different. But yeah, keep your job, right? If you're making good money, even if you're making good money on YouTube, bro, you still gotta keep it coming in consistently. That's why you see some people even have multiple channels that are monetized. Because like I said, the Google Adsense, it fluctuates every day. Every day. Okay? So, for anybody out there that want to start their YouTube journey, I'll subscribe to your channel. I don't mind that. Because I love support and I love giving support. You feel me? I'm just not the one to tell you, yeah, just leave your 9-to-5 job. Leave your 8-to-4 job. Your 7-to-3. Your 10-to-6. Your whatever job. Your overnight job. Just leave and just become a YouTuber. Absolutely not. Don't do that. You got consistent income coming in. Keep that income coming in. Find a way to build off of that and make more income. You understand what I'm saying? Make it work. Own stocks. Own real estate. Own some ETFs in the stock market. Do what you gotta do, man. Sell a product. Do something. Because YouTube is a freaking grind. Y'all might be looking from the outside in and y'all say, all you gotta do is post videos. Bro, it's more to that. You gotta make sure you're mentally strong, spiritually strong, you know? You gotta continue to work on yourself. You gotta continue to prove it to yourself that you can do this. Because you're gonna have people that don't believe in you. That's real shit. Especially people that know you in real life. They might not believe in you because they know you. But you know you better than anybody else do. So, that's all. Alright? Good luck to anybody on their YouTube journey. Thank you to anybody that's been supporting the channel. If you are new to my YouTube channel and you want to help me grow, all you got to do is subscribe. If you want to. Give the video a thumbs up. Leave your comments below. And most importantly, on this YouTube platform, be yourself, bruh. Do not try to be somebody that you're not. Don't try to do shit to impress random strangers. Don't do none of that. Be yourself. You will grow your audience organically. They will gravitate to you. You just got to be yourself. And serve other people. Have something of value. Alright? But I love y'all and I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all. And thank y'all for helping me reach 900,000 views on the YouTube channel. We almost had 1 million views. That's crazy, universe. Yes, sir. But I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. Thank y'all for rocking out with me. It's your boy, Thomas Carter. TC Talks, TC Fitness. Yes, sir.